In honor of Walt Disney World's 50th anniversary, over the next 50 days, we'll be sharing 50 videos that are 50 seconds long, detailing 50 fun facts that were around on opening year of Walt Disney World. Episode 8, A Tea Leaf. The Mad Tea Party has been around the Magic Kingdom since opening day. However, there is a recent addition that may have people wondering what it's all about. The story of Alice in Wonderland has inspired so many different tales, from the original Walt Disney classic, the Alice comedies back in the 1920s, to the 1950 film, Alice in Wonderland, which of course inspired a few different attractions including the Mad Tea Party. However, the story also inspired a software engineering program created by Dr. Randy Pausch. Dr. Randy Pausch was a former Imagineer who became famous in the 2000s for his last lecture, during which he famously said, "Be good at something, it makes you valuable. Have something to bring to the table because that will make you more welcome," which is now written on this tea leaf for all time. Thank you for joining us for today's episode of 50 Years, 50 Fun Facts in 50 Seconds. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe and we'll see you tomorrow.